Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 100 commonly used English phrases. So, let's start the video. Please amuse us by singing. Please amuse us by singing. How much money does Sonia have? How much money does Sonia have? Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? Did you get my point? Did you get my point? Please delete those photos. Please delete those photos. Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. Do you like to live in London? Do you like to live in London? Please console him. Please console him. Do you know each other? Do you know each other? Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. I will come again. I will come again. Please clean the board. Please clean the board. Do you know where she went? Do you know where she went? How to solve this puzzle? How to solve this puzzle? Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. It's not important. It's not important. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Please deal with that person. Please deal with that person. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. Try to open this door. Try to open this door. Please correct my mistakes. Please correct my mistakes. It's really taking time. It's really taking time. What is happening here? What is happening here? No thanks, I am okay. No thanks, I am okay. Don't play with her feeling. Don't play with her feeling. Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. John, don't rub your eyes. John, don't rub your eyes. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Don't leave the door open. Don't leave the door open. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? What's for lunch today? What's for lunch today? Don't ignore your loved ones. Don't ignore your loved ones. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? Don't knock at the door. Don't knock at the door. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Who will cook the food? Who will cook the food? I feel much better. I feel much better. Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Don't interrupt my work. Don't interrupt my work. How dare you say that? How dare you say that? What do you like in me? What do you like in me? I have no idea. I have no idea. Don't hurt me with your words. Don't hurt me with your words. It really takes time. It really takes time. When I was young, I could swim well. When I was young, I could swim well. You inspire me. You inspire me. When did you change your phone number? When did you change your phone number? I need a little help. I need a little help. Keep it there. Keep it there. Nothing special. Nothing special. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. You do it yourself. You do it yourself. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? You are getting late for school. You are getting late for school. What is your contact number? What is your contact number? I missed my school bus. I missed my school bus. Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? Don't invite him to the party. Don't invite him to the party. Could you show me your answer sheet? Could you show me your answer sheet? Please say something. Please say something. Don't get wet in the rain. Don't get wet in the rain. How long is your car? How long is your car? Don't interfere in this matter. Don't interfere in this matter. What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? Don't forget to feed the fish. Don't forget to feed the fish. You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. How often do you go there? How often do you go there? I did not understand. I did not understand. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? He is still not well. He is still not well. Who do you think will win the match? Who do you think will win the match? Please give me your hand. Please give me your hand. The question is who will do the project. The question is who will do the project. Where did you find this wallet? Where did you find this wallet? Don't discriminate others. Don't discriminate others. We both like each other. We both like each other. This is Alex, who was there with me. This is Alex, who was there with me. He advised me where to stay. He advised me where to stay. Who is going to sing tonight? Who is going to sing tonight? What do you like in that person? What do you like in that person? He's very annoying. He's very annoying. I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. He is a very famous person. He is a very famous person. That's a good one. That's a good one. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. I'm good, and you? I'm good, and you? He likes it very much. He likes it very much. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.